Welcome to Allegany College of Maryland's new website. The site has a new look and it's responsive, perfect for your mobile or tablet devices. Click here for additional options and to view the full menu. Scroll the home page to see announcements, news, and important dates, and to read what students say about ACM. Click on images of our campuses to take a virtual tour of our main campus or learn about our Bedford County campus. Want to know what ACM has to offer? Click the Future Students menu to learn about our academic majors, student support services, student demographics, and more. Ready to enroll at ACM? Select the Admissions and Aid menu. You'll find information on applying, financial aid, scholarships, tuition and fees, buying books, and sending transcripts to our institution. Most importantly, you'll find support services to help you succeed. Are you a current student at ACM? Click the Students menu and bookmark this page for your reference. We built this with you in mind and included those recognizable icons found on the home page of the old website, such as Web Advisor, Email, Brightspace, and IT Help Desk. You can find them here along with campus news, important dates, and upcoming events. Interested in personal enrichment, contract or workforce trainings, earning your GED, or becoming an Allegany Center of Lifelong Learners member? Check out our wide range of continuing education and workforce development courses. Looking for quick access to the systems you use on a daily basis? Click the My ACM menu to find them all in one place. Are you interested in visiting one of our health clinics, renting space for a theater production, making a request for student volunteers, or joining our Alumni Association? The Community menu is where you want to start. Can't find what you're looking for? Use one of our many search bars. Or check out the A to Z sitemap at the bottom of every page. You can also request assistance through our chat line during regular business hours, or click Contact Us to email our information center. Your comments are appreciated. Please use the feedback link at the bottom of our website. Thank you for your interest and continued support of Allegany College of Maryland. Go Trojans!